So I began this journey a couple months ago. A friend of mine, he was all excited. He had RLE, refractive lens exchange. I'd never heard of it, but he called me up. He was all excited. He lives in Arizona, and he was so excited he could read now. He could see distance, and I'd never heard of it. I didn't understand what it was, so I started investigating. And I thought, wow, this is great because I could still see distance, but I could not read at all. Readers were at 3 at Costco. That's all I go up to. So I was thinking, I don't know where I'm going to get readers now. But I did not want reading glasses anymore. So I started looking into this RLE, found out it's basically cataract surgery, but I could opt to pay for it now and not wait for cataracts, which I had low level of cataracts, but maybe I would never get to the point where Medicare would pay for it. So I thought, well, I better find a doctor to do this. I read reviews from everywhere. I live in Whittier. I read reviews everywhere on all these doctors, and I settled on Dr. Tai, who was about an hour away from my house. I could have gone to doctors that were a lot closer, but her reviews, they were all good. Everybody was happy, and I didn't find that with anybody else. So I thought my eyes are important, so I thought it would be worth the drive, even though it was an hour away. So my first day here, I immediately felt comfortable. Everybody in the office was so nice. I didn't have to wait. She saw me right away, and that day I decided right there that I would have it done. So when I had the first eye done, she wanted me to wait 2 weeks until I had the second one done. The surgery was amazingly easy. I left there, I wouldn't have even known anything happened to me. Next day I woke up, I felt exactly the same. I took off the patch they put on from the day before, and I was disappointed. I got up, I wanted to be able to read the computer, read a book. That wasn't going to happen. My distance vision was a little worse. Oh wow. I was going on a trip to Africa, and I really didn't want to wait the 2 weeks because then it would be cutting it close to the time when I had to leave. Dr. Tai was nice enough to get me in the following week, which she normally doesn't do. And she came in on her day off, which was amazing, to do the surgery. And I was reluctant. I thought, God, my first eye isn't that good. What's going to happen after my second one? She did the surgery, went home with the patch on. I woke up the next morning, and oh my gosh, what a difference. I could read. My book, computer were so easy to read, and even smaller print was fairly easy to read. And my distance vision in the eye that was just done was great, 20/20. My other eye was still 20/40, and I wanted better. My first eye was still 20/40, but I did the drops, everything. It came in a week later, and both my eyes were 20/20. Couldn't have been happier. She reassured me the whole way, and I'm very happy with the results. I would definitely choose her again in her team. It was amazing.
Thank you so much for your feedback,
You're welcome.
Scott. Appreciate it.